Ester bond is a type of covalent bond formed when an alcohol group hydroxylic reacts with a carboxylic acid group through a process called condensation or known as dehydration reactions. The hydroxyl from the carboxyl group and a hydrogen from the alcohol group combine to form a water H2O. The remaining oxygen atom from the alcohol links the two molecules together, creating an linkage, which is the ester bond. For example, in fats and oils, triglycerides ester bonds form between glycerol and or known as an alcohol and fatty acids carboxylic. Urea cycle is defined as the metabolic pathway in mammalian liver that facilitates the detoxification and excretion of excess nitrogen as urea, driven by the need to eliminate excess ammonia resulting from amino acid degradation. The urea cycle is the first metabolic pathway to be elucidated. The cycle is known as Krebs-Henseleit urea cycle. Orethane is the first member of the reactions. It is also called as an Oretium cycle. Urea is the synthesized in liver and transport to kidneys for excretion in